Tom, you are now thinking about doing that outside the U.S.
Mm-hmm.
And you mentioned before Nancy Duarte, you mentioned David Siebert, Dave Gray. They're all very big gurus, but they're Americans. I mean, how are you going to repeat that with the same success in Europe? Are you going to bring them over, or are you going to find them some gurus in Europe?
That is a great question, and frankly, we would have loved to have many more global gurus to bring in from all around the world to San Francisco. As our first event, we just couldn't afford the budget, of course, to fly them in from all over the world. But we're so excited that we're going to be able to do one in Europe in the fall and be able to access some of those. There are so many of them that are European-based. While certainly we will bring over some of the best from the U.S. and make sure we can, bring some of that experience over to the European market, we also want to take advantage of the great talent that's here in Europe already and bring them in. The nice thing is, as we're building this, our goal really is to build a global, sustainable community of visual thinkers. And while, yes, many of our facilitators that we had in the U.S. were U.S. or Canadian, our goal really is from that point on, as the network grows, to be able to pull in people from all over the world based on what the topics are that we want to discuss, whether we want to talk about storytelling or video or sketching or facilitation or information graphics. We'll be able to pull from the best all over the world. So we're very excited about the opportunity that Europe brings for us.
Do you think that it's going to happen the same but the other way around? I mean, are we going to be able this time to say 80% are Europeans and 20% are outside Europe, or what are you expecting?
I'm expecting actually that we may even get a little larger than 80% European population. I think the demand here and the already existing network of visual thinkers in Europe is so strong that we're going to see higher than predicted numbers of Europeans. I do think we'll have quite a few from the U.S. and from the other continents, but I really think it'll be a heavily European-dominated conference for sure.
I was surprised at the amount of northern Scandinavian that were in the event. I think that the Scandinavian countries are very visual thinkers, and they're going to probably have a couple of gurus that would be really very good as facilitators in there.
Scandinavia is very strong. In fact, they've been strong for a very long time. Many of the initial ideas for visual thinking actually came out of Scandinavia